This is Mark Hess, and on behalf of Michael Thomas, we would like to thank you for checking out this video. I'm going to keep this video very, very short for two reasons. One, we respect your time, and two, I'm not going to have to sell you on this plugin. So the minute that you see it in action with the live proof I'm about to show you, you are going to want to copy. Everyone watching this video is going to want a copy of our plugin. So the name of our plugin is Rapid SEO Indexer, and it will allow you to get all of your WordPress posts and pages indexed by Google in minutes, even seconds. So when you do this, it's the first step in getting free traffic from Google. Basically, our plugin automates a proven process that WordPress SEO experts use to get all of their content indexed fast in Google. It's a proven method. We just automated it to save a bunch of time. So now I'm going to show you how the plugin works. I'm just going to go ahead and copy an article that I have. The quality of content doesn't even matter. It'll still get indexed. And I'm going to give my page a name. So let's do Rapid Indexer Test. So Rapid Indexer Test about cats, and I'm going to click on Publish. Now from there, once this page has been published, I'm just going to copy this link and open up a new incognito window just to show you that this page hasn't been indexed yet. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste this in quotes. And you can see right here that there were no documents found. So this page was not indexed. So now I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side under Rapid SEO Indexer and click our two magic buttons. So the first one I'm going to click is Submit to Google. And I'm going to click on the Fetch button once it's back there in Fetch as Google. Now I'm going to click on whatever they tell me to, associated with I'm not a robot, and then request indexing. And after that, I'm going to click on crawl only this URL and click on go. Now I'm going to go back to my article and I'm going to click magic button number 2 and I'm going to ping the sitemap to a special link within Google. Then I'm going to click OK. Now when I copy my link address, I'm going to open up a new incognito window. Again, I'm going to go to google.com. I'm going to paste in that link, search Google, and right here you can see that it's been indexed. So it's just that fast. So I think it was 47 seconds, or that's when they say the result was returned. So, I mean, it is really that fast. So the best part about our plugin is that there's no like confusing interface or anything like that. All you do is enter your license key, and then you can create a sitemap using our plugin, or you can use an existing sitemap plugin. It doesn't matter. It'll work on both. So if you have something like Yoast SEO or All-in-One SEO Pack or any of the other ones, our plugin will work with those. Or again, you can go ahead and just use ours to generate it. We show you how to create a Search Console account if you don't have one, formerly Google Webmaster Tools. So everything is all taken care of for you. So this plugin, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. We provide free lifetime updates and support. And we are offering you the opportunity to purchase unlimited developer rights below. So you can use it on all of your own sites, on sites you build for clients, or you can include the plugin with sites that you flip. So it's basically like an all-inclusive license that will allow you to index an unlimited amount of content really, really quickly. So choose a license optioning below. Then Michael, Thomas, and we will see you on the inside.